industrial plastic has become one of the most essential products in modern society. The great disadvantage of it is indirect discard, which causes pollution and can bring danger to the local fauna, the most affected one being the marine wildlife. To solve this conflict, many awareness campaigns have been set up, but the most efficient way is the replacement of factory plastic by plant-based plastic, which would have a very positive impact, reducing almost all of the problems.
To help us better comprehend the ongoing issues related to plastic waste and its impacts, we rummaged through the UN Sustainable Development Goals and found that the SDGs that most closely related to our project were undoubtedly 11, sustainable cities and communities, and 14, life below water. Furthermore, the targets and indicators set by the UN also contributed to help develop our project. Specifically, 11.6, by 2030, reduce the adverse per capita environmental impact of cities, including by paying special attention to municipal and other waste management. And 14.1, by 2025, prevent and significantly reduce marine pollution of all kinds, in particular from land-based activities.
Our group's target audience is consisted by every person that utilizes plastic products with frequency. As that include basically everyone that lives in the city, we expect that the project can have a great impact not only on the suburban pollution, but on the average city dweller's opinion towards sustainability and how it can be achieved without having their lives and habits greatly affected. Finally, it must be highlighted that our project may also make it so that the population as a whole sees the benefits in having a more sustainable city.
From now, I'll be talking about the questionnaires we've done to obtain more information about our topic. Having checked the results of the questionnaires, we found out that schooling doesn't have a huge impact when it comes to sustainability, since the lowest scores regarding the importance of a sustainable life were given by college students. In addition, the possible increase in the cost of plastic products were they biodegradable, which is not something that bothers most of our audience, considering the answers given in the questionnaire. Finally, the majority of voters don't have an idea of what a kombucha really is, an information that ended up being shocking for the group, as this product has recently become extremely popular, one of the many reasons why we choose it to be our plastic main ingredient.
Well, for the prototype, we made a very sweet tea using a liquid kombucha seedling and waited 10 days for it to ferment the Scooby, which is a colony of bacteria. After it started to grow up, we moved it from a smaller recipient to a bigger one and waited 5 more days until we had the size and thickness we wanted. Later, we put it in a baking tray and let it dry. Basically, we used two methods for it to dry. The first one by using a stove, a kind of a stove, and the second one by letting it dry naturally. And at the end of the process, we had a very thick plastic and we could analyze the physics features of it. That's it. We hope you enjoyed the video and thank you for having us and be safe.